Hello, welcome you all to my YouTube channel, that is Maglan. Today I am here again with a question from the chapter Not-for-Profit Organization. As you can see, this is the receipt and payment account of a club, and from this receipts and payment account we have to prepare an income and expenditure account for the year ending 31st December 2004. We have receipts and payment side. In the receipt side we have entrance fees which will not be recorded in the income and expenditure account. Then we have subscriptions, yes, this item will be recorded. Then we have donations, this will also be recorded. Then life membership fee, yes, this is a capital receipt and will not be recorded in the income and expenditure account. Then we have interest on deposits, yes, interest on deposits will be recorded. Then we have proceeds of tournament, yes, this item will also be recorded. In the payment side we have rent, wages, yes, rent and wages will be recorded in the income and expenditure account. Then we have lighting charges, books purchase, yes, books purchase will not be recorded in the income and expenditure account. Then we have 8% fixed deposit, only the interest on fixed deposit, that is 8% on 12,000 will be recorded in the income and expenditure account. Then we have tournament expenses, yes, this item will also be recorded. And cash in hand, this item will not be recorded in the income and expenditure account. Then there is certain extra information, additional information which is given. Yes, the club possesses books worth rupees 20,000 and furniture worth rupees 8,500. Provide depreciation on these assets at the rate of 10%, including the purchases during the year. So we have to provide depreciation on books and furniture at the rate of 10%, including the purchases which is made during the year. Then we have subscription in arrears at the beginning of the year amounted to rupees 350. Yes, subscription in arrears at the beginning of the year will be deducted, and then subscriptions outstanding at the end of the year, that is 550, will be added. So this is the question from the chapter Not-for-Profit Organization, and in my next video I will present you the solution for this particular question. Thank you. Stay tuned for more videos.